Porsche Taycan. Got the nice white color. Just showing you guys real quick here. This is the Taycan 4S. Pretty cool. Alright guys, so let's go ahead. We're going to take a quick drive in the Taycan 4S. Oh.
There's 75% battery left.
So guys, this is where you put it into drive. So now we're in drive. We'll go Sport Plus. Oh guys, so you can see in the inside too, there's a huge fucking moonroof all the way across. I think my boots are too big to fit in this.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Yo, the sound that it makes, it's intense.
Okay, let's pull a Yui here. Holy fuck, listen to that. Yeah, so it moves, guys. It definitely moves. That was 100 there for you guys. So we'll do a quick 0 to 60.
Yo, the sound on this is like some futuristic shit.
Yeah, it sounds like you're in a spaceship or something. Now I always say that even with the Tesla, but this one makes a different noise. Alright guys, quick 0 to 60 for you. Not gonna go too crazy today.
3, 2, 1, hit it.
Okay, 0 to 100 for you guys. That was 0 to 100.
How do you feel in the driver's seat?
This one is nice, but I almost feel like the Tesla is still quicker.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, so guys, overall it's nice. It's very futuristic, this one. I like it though. It feels nice, like when you're like the steering is very good. The steering wheel is comfortable. It's not too big.
The seats.
Seats are interesting. I'm not 100% sure if I really like them yet, but they're comfortable.
Heads up display and everything, the digital. How do you feel futuristic in this model?
Yeah, I love this dash. I think this is great.
All screens.
Yeah, I think it's fucking beautiful. The sound is very trippy though.
Sounds like some spaceship shit.
Very trippy, yeah. Wow. It's quite a bit of power though still. Alright guys, we're gonna switch to a passenger video.
Drive.
Sounds good though, eh?
Yeah, let's see.
What would you give this car?
Oh, it was 150,000?
150,000 this car, yeah.
I don't know, probably like an 8 out of 10.
An 8?
Yeah.
It's pretty good though.
Yeah.
I mean, it's pretty good. Woo! Jeez. That wasn't all the way down, was it?
No. Am I all the way down?
You got it. You at least have to feel it once.
It like never ends, bro. It just keeps on. Like,
just keeps on going up. Yeah. Fuck.
Look at all this stuff you could do. You could do fucking assist, drive. Holy fuck, chassis.
Yeah, you can mess with the chassis, guys. You can mess with the drive mode, of course. Chassis height. Should we try the chassis height?
Yeah, sure.
It's low right now. Let's see what happens if we. Let's see if we put it on.
Regular?
Oh, lowered. So we just lowered it. Apparently. Let's see if what it looks like higher.
Well, you hear it too. You hear it like.
Oh yeah, you can hear it. Yeah. Okay, we'll keep it low because you're driving it. Whoa! Jesus Christ! Jeez.
faster?
I'm saying they're pretty close.
They're close?
They're definitely close. Like I feel like this one at some points is quicker, and Tesla at some points is quicker, but I think they're pretty.
This might be lighter than the Tesla.
Might be lighter, yeah. I'd say they're pretty damn close. Pretty damn close in power. But I feel like when the Tesla, when I did it, like I literally like shot all the way down, like through my stomach. This one kind of shoots to my stomach, but doesn't pass.
Oh, okay.
That's why I feel like the Tesla's quicker. It's kind of weird way to explaining it, but.
Let's see how good the reverse camera is.
Okay, guys, we'll check the reverse camera.
Oh, fucking looks for you too. Pretty trippy, you know.
Wow. Very cool. Oh, fuck. Yeah, very cool, guys. Alright, guys, that's the inside drive for the Porsche Taycan 4S. Appreciate that, Fig.
Yes.
Any last words, reviews, thoughts?
Like I said, 8 out of 10 for me with electric cars. I have to find a 10 out of 10 first to make sure I want to buy one.
10 out of 10, for sure.
This one's 8 out of 10 for me.
For sure, for sure. I think I'd go a little bit higher. Maybe I'll go like a 9, just because I feel like the inside is a little bit nicer than the Tesla.
For sure.
Actually, a lot nicer. Like this whole digital is very cool. Anyway, guys, we'll cut it there, and we'll talk to you next time. Peace.
Peace.